Now this is a bit you've got to watch. He's approached this teaser.
Now watch this. Look, put the handcuffs on. He's holding it.
Oh, he took him behind the building.
So
Yeah, got him on the ground there. Come and watch him.
Look. 1,
Oh, right in the kidney.
2.
Your son's lying down, face down. Now they're bringing him back to the car.
Wow. Look how he did it. Man, ain't nothing but 150 pounds soaking god doggone wet.
There you go.
And that's the sergeant pulling up right there. And she
And
pulled
the
up right
sergeant
after he
just
did
saw
that.
him body slammed.
Pulled up right as he did
But she didn't
that.
see the rest of it.
So I got this card. Throw him on the ground, just hit him like that and stuff.
Hey! What the? Bro! Stop! Do you stop pulling away from me? What the fuck? Ma'am, did you just see that? Stop pulling away from me. Ma'am. Back away. You can record, did you just see this man just body slam me, dog? Bro. Bro, I got my registered firearm right there, dog. Bro, can you please say, ma'am, did you see this? Bro,
All right,
I'm registered. Ma'am, look at this, bro. Look at my wrist, bro. This handcuff hurt like hell.
Stop.
Ma'am.
Stop pulling away from me now.
Not
All right, sorry. Just chill a little bit. At least.
Ma'am.
Okay, listen and do what he's telling you.
Do you see him? Hey, Randy, just chill. Randy, just chill. Stop moving and it won't hurt. Randy, just chill.
Bro, look at my fucking arm.
I see, but shit, just chill.
Can you at least tell you to put my arm
find that body camera somewhere? It's over there.
Bro.
Over there. You got him? He bailed off, to go run.
No, the fuck I did not. Ma'am.
Look, can you really fix the handcuffs? I will once you stop moving.
Bro, I'm not moving.
You stop moving? Did you stop? Look,
man,
stop moving. Nobody else here is gonna save you.
I'm not talking to you, bro.
Okay. Then don't talk to anybody.
Excuse me.
They was over there.
Ma'am, can I ask you a question, please?
Stop moving.
Ma'am. What the fuck, bro? This man just saw me walking and punched his shit.
Stop moving.
Bro, ma'am, what's I moving?
Randy, just chill. I don't know what's going on, bro. He just needs to stop moving. That's all he's got to do.
Bro, I'm not moving.
Stop moving.
Sir, can I speak to you?
It's not.
I know I'm not doing anything. Can I ask you why you punching the shit out of me?
Can you tell you to stop moving?
Bro, I'm laying on the ground with my hands behind my back. This man punched the shit out of me 5 times. Like, come on, dog. This man punched me in my ribs 5 times. He slammed my car twice. Hey, Brad. Hey, come here, man.
Stop pulling away. Stop, bro.
Bro, no, he can't even tell me.
Stop,
what.
bro.
Look at that shit. Bro, I didn't do nothing. What am I, man?
In the car.
Man, I ain't do shit.
I got you, but don't do this. He punched Randy in the face with some more shit here. He punched Randy in the face with some more shit.
Damn, man, what y'all had to punch him in the face for?
I need you to step off the scene, please, sir.
All right, I will, but I'm going to go over there and look.
That's fine. You can step over there and you can watch from there, sir.
Why they punch him in the face?
Traffic stop. Haines City's police chief is speaking out tonight about a recent traffic stop and arrest after videos of that stop surfaced on social media.
Some say the officer involved used excessive force, but the chief says it may appear that way and it is currently under investigation. 8 on your side's Trevor Sahaki has that.
It was only after surveillance video and cell phone video were posted online that the Haines City Police Department found out what happened during that arrest. While the chief gave reasons for the use of force, he said he would hold the officer accountable if need be.
Get on the ground now. For what? Get on the ground. For what? Get on the ground. For what?
All these concern me. These are not normal actions that you see whenever my officers interact with folks. At least it shouldn't be.
Chief Greg Gorick in the Haines City Police Department today responding to videos on social media showing a traffic stop and arrest that some are calling an excessive use of force.
Look at it, bro. Look at my wrist, bro. This handcuff hurt like hell.
Stop.
Ma'am.
Stop pulling away from me now.
It doesn't look pretty. It doesn't look good. And if I was an average citizen, I'd have a lot of questions, which our average citizens here did.
The chief says Officer Justin Vasquez tried to stop a car for illegally tinted windows. The car drove away, its driver got out of the car, and Vasquez took him into custody. The chief said during that interaction, Vasquez twice punched the driver, Miranda Brundage III, and slammed him onto the hood of his cruiser.
These strikes to his upper body were for the purpose of bringing him into what's called pain compliance.
Gorick said the punches and the slamming onto the cruiser were because Vasquez was worried about the gun in Brundage's pocket.
And anytime you have a firearm, whether you're legally possessing or illegally possessing it, it elevates the situation when it comes to the officer.
But the chief emphasized he's not taking sides, just providing possible reasons for the officer's actions.
I hope that my explanation of what transpired is not an indication that we've already made up our mind. I certainly haven't. I'm a fair and open person, and we will follow this investigation wherever it leads.
Chief Gorick told us Officer Vasquez has not been placed on any kind of leave yet, but that could change depending on how the investigation goes forward. As for Brundage, he was released from jail, but is now charged with resisting an officer and driving with a suspended license. In Haines City, Trevor Sahaki, 8 on your side.